Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making quick but essential checks. Turn off airplane mode and make sure Do Not Disturb is off so calls can ring. Restart the phone. This clears temporary radio glitches. Once done, call from a different number to test. Next, power down and remove the SIM, inspect it for dirt or damage, reseat it firmly, and if available, try the SIM in another handset to separate device versus SIM problems. These steps isolate the most common causes fast. Once basic checks are clear, focus on network and account issues. Check signal strength and that the phone is using the correct network mode, LTE/3G. Go to Settings and toggle mobile data. If unresolved, perform a network settings reset to clear corrupted configs. Also inspect call forwarding and call barring options in the phone settings. Finally, contact your carrier to confirm service provisioning, recent outages, or that your line isn't blocked. This explains problems you cannot fix on the device. For stubborn cases, update the phone OS and carrier settings. These patches often restore calling functions. Back up your data and consider a factory reset if updates don't help. This removes persistent software faults. Try a different SIM or enable Wi-Fi calling to confirm whether the issue is hardware or network. If calls still fail, document every step you took and escalate with carrier support. Have account details, and test results ready to speed resolution. One tip: use a borrowed active number to verify each change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.